Hello and welcome. I'm Ron Leyland, President and CEO of Nexagen USA. Before you hear from some others in our company, I want to tell you a little bit about our philosophy at Nexagen USA. Help others while helping yourself. That's a phrase you'll hear over and over again in this company. I live by that creed, and let me tell you, it's made a huge difference in my life and in the success of my business endeavors. My business career started abruptly when I was about this high. My mother volunteered to collect for the March of Dimes. Then she volunteered me to go out and do all the collecting. That's okay. That was my first taste of talking to complete strangers with a specific purpose in mind. I kind of liked it. Through the years, I pounded the pavement as a sales rep, plugged in numbers in purchasing, and created strategies in marketing. I figured someday all those hours and those hours alone would translate into dollars. But eventually I discovered that isn't really the way it works. Like many of you in your other jobs, I dedicated myself to my work. I did pretty well. I was a top producer at different companies, but I had a financial goal in mind and I wasn't there. Frankly, I didn't even see how I could make it happen. All that changed when I met a man who became a lifelong friend and literally changed the way I looked at things. He shared some obvious secrets with me, like most great concepts that were right in front of me, but until I had someone help me pay attention to them, I didn't even notice. When my friend got done with me, I wasn't any more intelligent. My communication skills hadn't changed. My work ethic hadn't changed. In short, I was exactly the same person as when he started, but with one slight change. The difference was a simple shift in focus, which amounted to a tremendous leap forward for me and a lot of people around me. That's right, if you pay attention, you can actually drag people along with you. Don't get me wrong, while I was genuinely interested in helping people move forward, at that point, I was still very much interested in my own success as well. But when I witnessed his dedication to my success, and that to the others around us, it became very easy to think in terms of what's in it for them, forget what's in it for me. Help other people become successful, and your success is assured. The more people you help, the more money they make, the more successful you become. And if you're lucky enough to get them to understand the same thing, watch out, that's the power of duplication. If you're a professional salesperson or a talented amateur, you're probably already deciding who to talk to first about the products and the opportunity. But this is important, very important. If you don't think you're in a position to help someone become a better salesperson or a great recruiter, that's okay. You can still share the concept of mutual success pushing everyone forward. And you can also show people how to take advantage of the fantastic salespeople and talented recruiters who have already found a home here at Nexagen USA. As CEO of this company, I want you to know that I will do all I can to help every team member succeed. I'll make sure you have the best products to sell, you'll have the best tools and technology to work with, you'll always be paid well and on time, but the rest is up to you.